I just got my NeoCube. I ordered it on Friday, and it came on today on Tuesday. I just got it. Some dude rang on the doorbell and ran away. It was in a box, and so yeah, let's see how it looks. Gotta get to this. Alright. Ooh, shiny. Pretty cool. Ooh, let me slice it. So, no, go back into a cube. Whatever. Alright, let's see what's inside. Instructions. I hate instructions unless I don't know how to do something. There's a little pouch. Has a picture of a NeoCube and it says theneocube.com. Really dirty and messed up. And some extras. It gave me 8 extras just in case. Never know. Alright. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. And also, I'd like to say, I don't know, nothing. I just wanted to say that. Yeah, so let's slice it.